let's go check and see if our favorite spot is rained out completely and we can't get to it still, or can we get to it still? Let's find out. Here goes another crane. The water is all the way up to the road. All the way up to the road. All the way up to the road, man. Holy crap, look at that. I don't think we've ever, or I've ever been out here when it's been this high. Holy crap. There's the lone tree out there in the water where the island was. This water has literally came all the way up here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, the smell that's around out here is not pleasant. Not at all.